Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials so the reinstall works smoothly. First, check your iPad model and iOS version in Settings. This tells you compatibility. Next, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID because the App Store ties to that account. Once done, glance at screen time or restrictions. These often hide the App Store. Restart the iPad to clear temporary glitches, then move directly to the App Store search and reinstallation steps. Don't skip the restriction check. Now you locate and reinstall the App Store. Swipe down from Home to use Spotlight and type App Store. If it appears, touch and hold to add to Home. If not found, open the app library on the last page, drag the icon back to Home and position it. If the icon is absent entirely, open Safari and search App Store on the web, then follow the reinstall link. Make sure you're using the same Apple ID so purchases and settings restore correctly. Finish by opening the App Store and signing in. Try downloading a free app to confirm functionality. If icons are shuffled, reset the home screen layout to restore defaults. This moves hidden apps back into visible spots. If the App Store still won't appear, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then update iOS to the latest version because software bugs can hide system apps. If nothing works, contact Apple support, but usually resetting and signing back and solves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.